Good afternoon from Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we'd like to show you a boat we just got in on trade. It's a 2013 Yamaha 242 Limited with twin engines and a tandem axle trailer, the swing weight tongue, also has a bimini top and full boat covers. Just walking around. Does have the boarding ladder aft and at the bow, freshwater washdown, aft stereo system, aft seating as well. Looking forward towards the aft of the boat, we have U-shaped seating, twin captain seating arrangement, lots of storage on the port sides there and the console there. And looking forward towards the bow of the boat, you do see it does have a large sun pad or a fill-in sun pad. Looking towards the helm station here a little bit, you'll notice it does have bolster seating, tilt wheel, does have the upgraded stereo system, as well as no wake cruise assist. Also, you notice here in the center area here, lots of storage for wakeboards and skis. If you have any question about this particular boat, please give us a call here at MarineMax Gulf Shores, 251-981-1113. Thank you.